हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of research methodology. Today topic is test of statistical significance. A statistical test provide a mechanism for making quantitative decision about a process. The intent is to determine whether there is enough evidence to reject or conjecture of or hypothesis about the process. The conjecture is called the null hypothesis. Not rejected may be a good result if we want to continue to act as if we believe the null hypothesis, or it may be disappointing results. Possibly, in detecting, we may not have enough data to prove something by rejecting null hypothesis. Hypothesis test also address the uncertainty of the sample estimate. However, instead of providing an interval, a hypothesis test attempt to refute a specific claim about a population parameters based on the sample data. Basically, we have two types of tests based on parameters: parametric test and non-parametric test. Parametric test, a statistical test in which a specific assumptions are made about population parameter, is known as parametric test. These types of test, student test, J test, F test, chi-square test, correlation, NA1. Non-parametric test. Non-parametric test cover techniques that do not rely on the data belonging to any particular distribution. These include the distribution-free methods, which do not rely on assumption that the data are drawn from a given probability distribution. As such, it is the opposite of parametric statistics. It includes non-parametric descriptive statistics, statistical model influence, and statistical tests. In hypothesis testing, non-parametric tests play a central role for statisticians and decision makers. Among various noteworthy researchers, statistical hypotheses concern the behavior of observable random variable. It is applied when no exact information about population. Chi-square test commonly used as non-parametric test, and some other tests also used. Difference between parametric and non-parametric test. Parametric test apply when data is normally distributed. Non-parametric test use parametric test apply when distribution of data is skewed. Parametric test apply for quantitative data. Non-parametric test apply for qualitative data. Parametric test apply for a scale of measurement is metric scale. That is the interval of ratio scale. Non-parametric test apply when measurement is normal or ordinal scale. Parametric test apply compare mean and standard deviation of two groups. In non-parametric test, compare percentage of proportionate. In parametric test is more powerful, give the more powerful measurement. Non-parametric test is not less powerful measurement. That this is the less powerful measurement as compared to parametric test. In parametric test, assumption is involved. In non-parametric test, assumption not involved. In parametric test, mean value is central tendency value, and in non-parametric test, median value is central tendency value. In parametric test, Pearson method used for correlations. In non-parametric test, Spearman method used for correlations. In parametric test, population knowledge is required, and in non-parametric test, population knowledge is not required. In parametric test is applicable for variable, non-parametric test applicable for variable and attributes. Parametric test, that t-test, z-test, f-test, chi-square test, correlation and NAY is parametric test. And non-parametric test, Kruskal-Walsh methods, Mann-Walney methods, Friedman-Eneva and chi-square test is the most common test of non-parametric test. Generally, chi-square test is common used by the researcher to measure the goodness of fit in non-parametric test. Thank you. And system of statistical analysis. First of all, state null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. State the level of significance. After the formulating, deciding the level of significance, calculate the t statistics with the help of parametric and non-parametric test. Compare the calculate test statistics with tablet value and decisions. After the taking the decision, a statement of the result are written. Thank you. In next video, we will discuss about the t-test. T-test is the most important, must influence test of parametric test. Thank you.